Moulton, the Reluctant Chef here. Today I am cooking frozen chicken in our pressure cooker called the Quick Cooker. And I'm cooking it from frozen because I am the Reluctant Chef and I forgot to take the food out of the freezer. So let me tell you a little bit about what we're going to be doing first. So the pressure cooker is a great tool. When you use our pressure cooker, you don't have to release the steam by touching the steam release button at the top. You can push this button back here and it will release the steam for you so that you're never near the hot steam. When it's under pressure, this little turkey timer red button will pop up and it'll let you know that it's under pressure, and it's about the same as taking a soda can and shaking it vigorously. Once the turkey timer is up, it is locked and you cannot open it. You'd have to cancel it and relieve the pressure on it when you're doing that. The silicone seal, we do sell extra ones of these as well, and this you can do different colors based on whether you're doing curry or whether you're doing a dessert or something like that. The stainless steel base is a great easy dishwasher safe cleanup, and we have pre-made settings on this. So there's a sear button, there's a steam button. You can steam like shrimp in 2 minutes or 1 minute. You can do rice, brown rice or white rice, and I've got a great chicken broccoli risotto recipe that you might like. There's a soups and stews button. There's a chicken and poultry, a beef and pork, a seafood and fish, a stocks or soups. So doing soup stock is great. You can put your whole chicken carcass in there and just add water and your leftover vegetables, that your peels from your carrots, etc. There's beans, desserts, stews, chilies, and whole grains. So lots of options here. We're going to add just a half a cup of water from the 1 cup prep bowl. I use a half a cup. You need about a cup of liquid, but we're going to be using some barbecue sauce. So I literally just stuck all of the frozen chicken in here, and I'm just going to dump probably a half a bottle of barbecue sauce on top of it. That's it. And then I'm going to put the cover on. We call this R2D2 because of this. And then I'm just going to turn the button until it comes to chicken poultry, and then I'm going to push start. There is a custom setting as well, so if you're doing something specific, you can go up and down with time. You can go up and down with pressure amount. So while that's going to be cooking, the little blue lights are going to go around in the circle for a period of time. Once it comes up to pressure, it will, the turkey timer will go up, and this will start counting down from the 15-minute mark, and then once it gets done, it'll beep. Things like meats, you want to let sit for 10 minutes before you release the pressure. There are other recipes that you actually stop it and release the pressure right away. And what's great about our pressure cooker and others is you don't use the handles to move it. We have handles that are on the bottom, so when it comes time to release the pressure, you just turn it so that you're not releasing pressure underneath your cabinet. You don't want to ruin your cabinets there. So that's going to be working its way in the background, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a broccoli cauliflower salad. So I am going to just cut actually just a small bit of red onion because I don't need a lot for this recipe, and we're going to put it in our manual food processor, and I'm going to make the salad dressing for the broccoli cauliflower salad in that as well. So I'm just going to cut it into a couple of smaller pieces. The manual food processor comes with 3 blades that are at different heights so that if you're doing things like basil or herbs, it'll toss and lift. I'm going to put the cover on it, and I'm just going to chop this until my onions are well chopped, as you can see here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to add some mayonnaise. It's about a cup of mayo, and I used our small mix and scrape. I love this. Mix and scrapes are perfect for, and they come in 3 different sizes, are perfect for when you are trying to get into like a mayonnaise jar but then stir something up. I'm going to make my salad dressing right in the manual food processor. I do this a lot. I do tuna fish in here. I do celery and onions in my tuna. You'll notice that the Measure All cup has 2 color measurements on it. Red is for solid and blue is for liquid, and you use the liquid with the little pour spout on the bottom. Also in here we're going to use the mini Measure All cup, so we're using this one with the blue side, and we're using red wine vinegar in that. And then the last thing I need for my salad dressing is some white sugar. So we're going to use equal amounts of sugar to equal amounts of vinegar. So a quarter cup is 4 tablespoons. So we're going to use our adjustable measuring spoons for that. They go from, when you push it all the way up, they go from 1 teaspoon to a tablespoon, and then the other one goes from 1/8 of a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon. So great, you only need one measurement to measure multiple things at the same time. So we're going to mix this all up. And then I'm going to add in some cran raisins. And then I'm going to add in some crumbled bacon. You'll see I've got some bacon that I just made. I'm going to add some crumbled bacon in. This is just broken up pieces of broccoli and cauliflower that I did earlier today. And mix it all together, and I'm going to stick it in the fridge. And in about a half an hour or 45 minutes when I'm ready for dinner, everything will be ready to eat. So if you would like this recipe, just comment below, let me know, and I'd be happy to post the recipe as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on my next video.